Mansi, congrats on your new coffee brand. That's amazing.
Thanks, Ria. You have to try it. I promise. It's delicious.
I definitely will. But tell me, how did you fund this venture?
Well, I invested in balanced advantage funds.
Balanced advantage funds. What are those?
They are mutual funds that adjust their investments between equity and debt based on market conditions. This approach adjusts risk exposure based on market conditions and may align with medium to long-term investment objectives.
That sounds like a smart way to invest.
It really is. It's a great option for medium to long-term investors.
Love it. Maybe I should look into it too.
Absolutely. Just make sure to check if it fits your financial goals before investing. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.